Hello freedom traders, this is your boy Collins FT. Once more again guys, uh, we gotta put this out there, we gotta put this value out there, and it's again back testing. So before we go further guys, make sure you like and subscribe. That's all. So first we cover the charts. We don't want to see the charts so that we get biased while back testing. So today we're gonna do a USD card. It's a pair that it's very difficult to respect setup. So let's find out why today, because this is a pair that no matter what you do, it always goes against your setup. Always will go against your setup. So let's find out today why by backtesting. So let's go to May 2016. I hope so. Okay. So as usual guys, put our guidelines, trend lines. So it's been broken and it's the beginning of an uptrend. So let's see what the market is doing here, or the market was doing at that time. So as you know, my strategy guys, I trade levels, I trade demand and supply, I trade market market structure, price action. That's it. Fundamentals sometimes, but not all the time. So we keep our key levels to make sure we know where we enter and where we are going out. So guys, here as usual, we gotta wait for the market to give us a buy signal here, because this is support. All we want to do here is buy. We don't think of selling here, we want to buy. We can only sell if it gives us a very good and reasonable confirmation to sell. If all our confluences they work out, then we're gonna sell. So okay, so the market actually broke with a bullish momentum as usual, came back, retested, then gave a hammer, but it didn't give a buy confirmation. But of course we knew it's a buy, so no problems whatever it's doing. Yeah, so here it's a rejection also. Here as you can see guys, this is a rejection, and rejection of the support. This is the moving support, like the moving average, which is now acting as a moving support. Then what happens next is the confirmation of a buy, which is this bullish engulfing at the top of the moving average. So this is where we enter. And before you enter guys, you have to look for where we are getting out. So this is where we are getting out. So as I said, first thing is the market will break resistance for buying positions. The market will break resistance, then comes back. Always it will break. Well, however it goes up, it's gonna come back, retest. Either it will retest and break and come below the support again before giving us a hammer or a bullish engulfing candle or anything before trading, before going up above the moving average. Then that is when you buy. So you don't just buy when the market breaks the level with a bullish candle. So let's go. So we have now our confirmation here. You can put your buy stop, or you trade, you do market execution, you go down to the 50 minutes and a 5 minutes time frame and enter manually. So this is it, guys. Let's see how it moves. Okay, so it's still, that was a buy confirmation. Let's double check if it was actually, yeah, it says it was a buy confirmation. So whatever it is, guys, we stick to our setup. We got kicked out, but it doesn't mean we were wrong. We followed our principle, and it happened to be like that. So the next thing we're doing is, as the market behave like this, is it giving us a sell signal, or it's coming for a test again before giving a buy signal? First we look if it's giving us a sell signal. Okay, first there is this one which is a sell signal, then breaking now the moving average, which is the support, which is this one. It might come down and reach somewhere here, go back and retest. If it retests and gives us a sell signal, then we're gonna sell. If not, if it gives us another buy signal, then we continue to buy. So that is it, guys. It hit. Okay, so as I said, guys, that this was actually a sell signal. This also was a sell signal. It actually sold. Okay, broke the moving average, came back, retested. So now it has given us another buy signal. So the reason why I didn't put my sell here immediately, like when I saw this one, I didn't put a sell immediately. I saw this one also, I didn't put a sell position. It's because I'm being biased, like it happens to mostly all the traders. I'm being biased by the fact that it was a buy. Since I already had a position of a buy, it's very difficult for me to believe that I was wrong, and now the market is gonna go against me. So it's an issue that most like 90% of traders, they do face. And it's always because you'll be asking yourself, why do you have drawdown of let's say you are in a $1,000 account, and you are in drawdown of say $300 for new traders. So you'll be asking yourself, why didn't you sell and get the $300? Or when you saw that it was already at $50, why didn't you sell so that you get $250? This is exactly the reason here, guys. The reason is this one, because you believe that you were right and you cannot be wrong, because you did a lot of analysis, you analyzed everything, and you took that decision, and you believe you could not be wrong. That is why you are in drawdowns. People who blow accounts, yeah, it will be at the last dollar, they will still believe that at that last dollar the market is going to go back to their direction. So of which some people, they do hedge. Those are banks will hedge if their positions are going against them. They hedge, and they know how they do it. There is a way they do it. They hedge in such a way that it's not going to be in a very very bad situation. Which hedging is really good if you can control your emotions, but if you cannot, guys, you don't want to hedge. So as I said, the market was going to come down, break here, give us a buy, another buy signal. So I'm still having that bias mind of it's still a buy, it's still a buy. So let's see if actually it's still a buy. Yep, so this actually the money we lost here we got it back here with a lot of profits on it. So it's not only break even, but we're actually in profit. So guys, being in profit already, the market gave us a sell signal. So right now we are happy. That's why we are starting to, let me show you the sell signal I'm talking about. So since we are in profit now, we are happy, and we can see clearly, we can now see very clearly that this is a shooting star, and it is a sell signal. So when the market closes like this is a daily time frame. When the market closes like this, if you are in a buy position, you have to get out. Of course, you have to get out. You don't have to remain there at all. You get out. So getting out, for me, this is a good reason to put a short position. Not because we saw before, but because this is a very rare candle stick that gives us a, first we'll try to take profit here. Yeah, it's actually a very bad trade because the stop loss is very huge. If we wanna actually go greedy, and that signal, if it works out well, this is a signal that breaks boundaries. It's a signal that can come right down here, and even break. It breaks structure, those types of signals, because it's a very powerful one. So now we are in profit. This trade actually can take back all our profits or gives us more profit. So let's go, guys. Okay, it's really good. We actually hit our first take profit, which was here, and almost hit the second one. Yeah, this is the second take profit. We almost hit here because yeah, this was the first take profit, and the second one, it's this first one that made me say it's a very bad trade, because stop loss was bigger than the actual take profit, which is a very bad trade, of course. But coming down here, and it was a very short one. Those are the type of bad trades you can take, because this is the most rare candlesticks you can find. If you find them, you should just trade right away. Yeah, you should trade right away. So right now, this is another one here, but I don't believe this is a very strong signal. So I don't believe this market giving me a buy, another buy signal now. I will wanna buy. So of course, because there is this candle here already, there is this hammer here, and this candle didn't touch the support. It actually rejected the support. So there is a possibility that the market can go up, but since we are in profit, guys, we put a very small position here, not a big one. You can just put a very small position, and see if the market is there too. Okay, so with this one, as I said, it's a very strong indication that the market will go right down. It breaks structures, this type of signals. But again, we have another one down here which is almost like that one, and it's this one that made us buy, and we did buy, and we went in profit until we hit that our take profit there. So with this one now, we just want to get in with a very small small position and see. Yep, it just hit like straight away. Yeah, it did hit straight away. Just one candlestick just hit it straight away. So guys, this is it for today. Today we kind of were in profit back to back, so it was a good one today. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope tomorrow we're still gonna be together. Make sure you like and support the channel. Thank you guys.